Welcome to today's channel. Manchester is the perfect place to be on a Saturday night. The city is known for its bustling nightlife, which offers visitors a wide range of venues, bars, restaurants, and hotels to choose from. Whether you're looking for a wild night out with friends, a romantic dinner for two, or a comfortable place to stay, Manchester has it all. Let's start with the venues. Manchester is famous for its music scene, and there are plenty of venues to choose from. One of the most popular is the O2 Apollo Manchester, which hosts a variety of live music acts throughout the year. If you're a fan of comedy, be sure to check out the Comedy Store, which features performances by some of the best comedians in the UK. Moving on to the bars. Manchester has a vibrant and diverse bar scene, with something for everyone. For a sophisticated night out, head to The Alchemist, which boasts a wide array of creative cocktails. If you're looking for a more laid-back atmosphere, try the Temple Bar, which serves up craft beers and classic pub fare. When it comes to restaurants, Manchester has a wealth of options. For a taste of authentic Thai cuisine, head to Try Thai, which is known for its mouth-watering curries and stir-fries. For something a little more upscale, book a table at the French, which offers a modern take on classic French cuisine. As for hotels, Manchester has no shortage of comfortable and stylish options. The Midland Hotel is a great choice for those looking for a touch of luxury, while the Premier in Manchester city centre is a more affordable option that still offers plenty of comfort and convenience. Last but not least, let's talk about the youth scene. Manchester is a vibrant and youthful city, with plenty of nightlife options geared towards younger crowds. For a unique night out, visit the Warehouse Project, which is famous for its electronic music events. Alternatively, head to the Northern Quarter, which is home to a variety of bars and nightclubs that cater to a younger crowd. Overall, Manchester is the perfect destination for a Saturday night out. With its lively venues, diverse bars and restaurants, comfortable hotels, and youthful energy, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但火焰在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low，这样的调子好像爱迷人的手，就是那属于我们的地下暗自的色号。Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Yeah? 试着让这音乐包围你的感觉。Do you like it? Yeah? 感觉 Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Yeah? 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这个时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主做的目前却只能到这里的兜。这首风格的其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走，一路在走，跌跌撞撞，拼拼斗斗，却从来没有被停留。但火焰在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low，这样的调子好像爱迷人的手，就是那属于我们的地下暗自的色号。Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Yeah? 试着让这音乐包围你的感觉。Do you like it? Yeah? 感觉 Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it? Yeah? 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah? 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主人做的不欠缺，只能到这里的兜。这首风格的其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走。一路在走，跌跌撞撞，停停走走，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼着你接受，就是那属于我们的地下暗自的称号。Do you like it? Yeah, do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这时候就是为了迎合主流群体们的感受，我能为主人做的不欠缺，只能到这里的兜。这首风格的其实比较黑暗，比较 underground， 希望我们的风格也能够在地面上行走。一路在走，跌跌撞撞，停停走走，却从来没有被停留。但我也在他心里，难怪属于我们。Body get low， 这样的调子好像爱逼着你接受，就是那属于我们的地下暗自的称号。Do you like it? Yeah， Do you like it? Yeah， 试着让这音乐包围你这感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， 感觉。Do you like it? Yeah， Do you like it? Yeah， 就让我们再次回到那个年代。Do you like it? Yeah， 这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？这旋律是属于你我的 beat， 我能走到这里真的很干净，感觉现在忘记会比较容易，还是说你想要继续走下去？